Hi guys, I wanted to make this quick video because I made this blanket for my daughter because she's always getting cold inside the car. I finally wrote out the pattern for this Afghan, and I also have a tutorial already made on the stitch, and I will link it down below this video if you want to know how to do the stitch and the pattern as well. You can go to my site and it'll have the stitching if you prefer to have the pattern. It is now available on my site. I did a chain of 244, which is with the multiples. You can find all that information on my site and the tutorial link under the video. I really hope that you enjoy that tutorial and the pattern. Thank you so very much for watching.